Hi guys, hope you're well. I just want to talk about having your own business online. I work from home. I have been working from home for around about say 12 years now, and it's probably one of the best things I've ever done. It's just given me freedom. You can actually work anywhere in the whole world, not worried about clocking in and clocking out. All you need is a good Wi-Fi connection and a very, very good laptop or a phone. I think that's all you need. Just a phone like that, and a laptop. That's all you need. And the freedom you get is I get paid every day. I am in the crypto niche, and also I'm in the home business niche. I do I offer traffic to companies and to individuals, how to get more opt-ins, how to get more sign-ups, and also how to build your online business. I started, I must admit, about 12 years, and I was actually having my own business, time business, and it was when crypto was about, when it was virtually first started. That started in 2009. I got into it in 2012, and I traded, learned how to trade, bought a couple of Bitcoin, and I just started that way. And I was, best thing I ever done. I never looked back. And it's works very, very well. And anybody can do this, guys. It just depends what sort of niche you want to go into. There's loads of opportunities out there. I used to be an affiliate marketer as well. I still do a little bit of affiliate now and then. Like JV Zoo products, ClickBank products, and Warrior Plus products. And also I used to do reviews websites as well. This is before Bitcoin really kind of went crazy. The best years I ever had really was 2017, and then my business blew up. It's made me a six-figure earner. I'm still at 6 figures now. I've bought 2 properties in Spain and 1 property in Thailand. I fly between Spain and Thailand twice a year. It's given me freedom, basically. I have a nice car, I have a motorbike, and I'm happy. And anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. So I decided to get out of the rat race, and I just had enough of it. Travelling to work, when I used to work in Berkshire, I used to travel to London every day, and Christ, the traffic was absolutely crazy. It used to take me an hour to get to work, and I used to leave about 6 in the morning. Oh God, I did it for years, a long time. And then I just started watching YouTube videos, and I thought, and I saw a YouTube video about home businesses, how to start your own home business, and I just, why not? I just started it from nothing, and then built slowly, got to these products, and become an Amazon affiliate. And then as I said earlier on, I got into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And then I learned how to trade, because once I started earning some money, 2017, I actually paid my mortgage off as well. This is when I was in the UK, and then I decided to just sell up and then move over to Spain. That was in the pandemic, 2020. And then Bitcoin was, I think it was about $7,500 then, and then I made an absolute killing because it went up to about say 25,000. So yeah, I was quite lucky, but you've got to get yourself out there really, and just do it. It's so easy to work, and you don't see further than your nose, and sometimes you think, what, do I need to do this? But it just gives you a good lifestyle. But the secret is, guys, you need to get yourself out there, you need to be consistent, and you need to go onto YouTube. There's loads of courses out there how to build a business online, and also you want to start learning how to build a blog. And the blog is very important in my in my experience, because I use it as a base when I'm building my business. And you need to learn how to get traffic to your offers. That's, traffic is the blood of our industry. Okay, guys. And I hope you got some value out of this. So we'll be doing some more videos on YouTube. Please check my channel out and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And also, can you please subscribe? It would be nice. Okay, guys. Have a great day. Thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And any questions, any answers, please reach out to me. I'm here to help you make money online. And enjoy your journey, guys. Have a great day. Happy days.